How are you naman, kuya, nung na-receive mo yung letter?
How do you feel? Excited? For the,
Solemn box.
dogs to walk in a million. Say
I
yes?
have no expectations.
Oh.
Yes, that's better.
Because it's all positive.
Yes.
Either it's a win-win.
Yes.
Anyway,
Either way it goes, it's a win.
you have a good relationship now. So
Absolutely.
Whatever,
Tulad ng sinabi ko,
whatever
hindi
you
ako
want.
nagmamadali.
Yes. One step at a time.
Give you your time to read that alone. Or unless you want to share.
Well, I mean, because we're in the wrong same room, so I'm gonna be
Yay! Share it.
Slumber party.
For slumber party. So we have more goodies.
Just open the ano lang. Don't need to read.
Fruits. I think I'm gonna be eating a lot of fruits.
I know, right?
Yeah. Yes, sulat na po. Ayan na po. Ayan na! Freaking joke. Freaking joke. Oh my God. Mga chismosa, oh, mga chismosa. Dito na guys, oh, mga chismosa. Oh my God. Pinapagalitan kami sa lobby because we're too loud. Excited din si Kurt. Mamaya na po. Oh my God. Kunti lang fish. Yung totoo po, letter nyo ba yan?
I know what's the letter. 10 boxes of cake bomb. 5 pieces of minerals at least minerals.
I like that joke. Ayun na yung letter, guys. That's the letter. That's the letter, guys. It's a yes. It's a boy. We have a lot of fruits. Yes.
How did you know he loves chips? He does. He really does.
Hello po, Ate Tess.
Ano, Sacramento? Can I pay now?
Sa Sacramento po.
Sino ba?
Isend yun na lang.
Ganun na rin.
Opo. Hindi ko din alam eh. I-text ko kayo mamaya.
Sige.
Yes. Thank you, Ate Tess.
Ay, meron akong ano eh. Kasi ayun niya pa bumili ng ticket. Pero kasi...
Sama sa first na.
Oo.
Sa first na kayo. Para maitabi-tabi ko kayo lahat.
Sige.
Mas madali yun. Kasi ako ang may ano.
Gusto niya kasi doon na lang daw bibili.
Sa first, no?
Or sa basta sa venue ng concert. If ever lang.
Sige po. Okay. Thank you.
Look at all the chips you got. Because they know you love it. Maybe later you can ask me. Uncle Joe, thank you.
Uncle Joe. Does it look like Uncle? You look so young. I'm KKK fan. That's Eli. Eli, I always message her and Ate Tess. So, talagang fanay talaga sila, guys. Fanay. And Attorney Lisa is over here. The whitey.
curious.
Oh, you guys are in the same room, so you. I think I'm sure that's a, you know. You think so? You think so? Ay, okay, let's take a picture. Picture daw, picture. I know.
Oh, he's going to Sacramento.
Is he?
Yeah. I'm gonna tell Papa to go for you. The red dress.
That's the letter, guys.
Another girl that like that.
Yes.
The show.
Another girl.
For his dad to meet at the show.
Oh, who? Ate Tess?
No, is that her? No, the middle one.
I have no idea. I just know this two girls. Just trying to hook it up. Yeah, that's LA. LA.
LA?
Yeah, LA. And then Ate Tess.
Yes. Yeah. Chris, what's her name? For Papa.
Tito. Mama. Sugar mama. Sugar mama.
Asukal de mama.
Asukal de mama. That's a real sugar mama. Oh my God, that's... Nahiya tuloy.
Just sell the letter on eBay.
I know, right? I think people will buy that for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers. Hindi, ito yung nagbigay ng letter. So, yung hawak ni Chris the letter. He's gonna open it.
How many people are there? Oh, wow. What are they saying? Watch me come home. Oh my God.
I do games every time.
Really?
So I give like money.
Oh, that's cool.
So I'm like, one of my games she sponsored. So she sponsored like $100, right? So we had like 10 winners.
Oh, wow.
I do like 500.
Fun stuff.
Like yeah.
Yeah.
So they can follow her, me, and then like my other artists.
Yes.
I do that. So that's why.
Awesome.
So these people are like pretty much everywhere. Your phone now?
I don't know.
I have your phone.
You know what? We need forks for sure. For the frutas. Oh my God, naka-zoom. What the heck? I promise. Hi, Tess. Miss you. Miss na kita. Sabi po ni Miss Grace Pabatang. Miss Grace Pabatang, miss you daw. Ay, hindi. Nanita pala. Okay. Good news sana ang letter, Miss B. Sabi naman po ni Chris, good news or what, he's not expecting anything. So, no matter what, the letter will say he's happy. Please pa-shout out Catherine's Global OFW 4K Team Paiyak. Hello po. Hello everyone. That's the letter, guys.
You guys use the X-ray.
Can I buy it for $1,000?
Use the X-ray filter. Yeah.
Let's buy it for 1,000.
Use the extra.
He's happy. Tears of joy. He's always happy. Yeah.
Ang saya mo po, Miss Cory. Thank you, Miss Iya. Tawag nyo kasi sa kanya, Uncle eh. Di, ibahin natin ang name ni Joe. Papi Joe.
Are you renaming him?
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh, she's renaming him.
Papi! He doesn't look like Uncle. Let's do Papi! Little Eddie's over there. Freaking cracks me out.
With doble.
Yeah, with Doble. He has like 3 names. I don't even remember what's the other one. Yeah,
Eric.
Ulysses and Eric.
Doble.
And Doble. Ooh.
Double.
Naka-open. Yes po. So pretty, attorney. Of course. She is very pretty. Na-receive. Yes po. Ito na yung letter.
I'm telling you because he's my
That's the letter, guys.
I'm gonna tell my husband.
Yan na po ang letter.
Good word for you. No, really, what's your name? Myla? That's a pretty name.
But we're not joking. Yari ka kay Tito. Maniwala ka. Tong, it's na. I know, right? Pinagsabi yung tong, it's na. Siguro nakikita tayo nagla-live. Oo nga. Ewan ko ba kung may dala ba to. Pero sakit na ng ulo ko, guys. I need to rest. Thank you. Ayun o. Nagpapa-stars. Thank you for the stars. I let you guys know what the letter. Just send me 1,000 stars. And of course, mga sisi, thank you for the goodies. This is Sprite, guys. Sprite. Excited na po ang lahat. Oh my God! 99 stars! Thank you! I'll message you. I'll message you the answer. Thank you guys. Mr. Joe, Joanne. I'm so happy that you guys know Joe and Miss Lisa. Shout out, Kakoko. Hi mga Kakoko. Miss ko kayo. Pops Joe is better. Said, I want to buy the letter for 1,000. Ooh!
It's sealed very well. You cannot see. Good job, Mrs. B.
Mrs. B? What?
It's wishful thinking.
Okay, wishful thinking. Mrs. B, oh my God, did you guys get married? Charot. Charot lang, guys.
Yeah, we gotta put it out there, right? Manifest. Manifest. Let's manifest it. Yes.
Thank God, it's my off from 2 nights, 12 hours duty.
Wow.
Excited na si
December.
Chris Lawrence, guys. It's very
He
excited.
goes, you guys are making me blush.
Ang ganda mo po, Attorney Lisa. They said you're pretty.
Oh, thank you guys.
Diba? Attorney ang look.
She's renaming Joe. I said, Katie's not gonna
Pops. Poppy.
Poppy.
Poppy Joe. Poppy Joe. And they're like, it's like, ikasal nyo na po sila, attorney. Hindi po siya pare. Attorney po siya. Nakakatuwa si attorney. They said that you're funny. Hello, Papi.
Who flew it?
Aw.
Who flew it? You can't. Did it come through Philippines?
It's still Miss, guys.
How?
I know, it's
It's
still
still
Miss,
Miss.
guys. We're just
We
kidding.
have to respect.
We just got too excited.
Yes.
And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just a wishful thinking.
Nothing but positivity.
Yes. Nag-explain si ate. Charot. Hi, Papi Joe.
Oh boy.
Hi, Papi Joe. Oh my God. I didn't say anything, guys. Okay, that didn't come from me. Watching from Kalinga. From now on, your Papi Joe na.
Oh boy. They're watching you.
Oh my God. Holy shit. Watching from Taiwan, Madam. Trader Joe's. Trader's Joe. Oh my God, it's 11:38 p.m. here. You're welcome, Miss Joanne. Long time no see. They're asking if you've been to the Philippines.
I have.
Yes,
Last
she
year.
has.
Last January.
They were just there last January with Chris. They travel everywhere, so they're always out and about.
We went to Manila, Coron, Cebu.
They messaged me for Italy. I'll try to book it. I mean, I can produce it. Most of the shows anyway I self-brought, so I want to go there for vacation. Might as well do a show.
Might as well.
That's what I do.
Let's go. Bring your sister.
I'll bring my family.
Yeah.
Give him time to
You might
read.
as well do another city
Yes,
if you're over
po.
there.
That's what I know. Yeah,
Another city if you're
we
already
can
over
just
there.
travel for one, and then we pay like.
Somewhere another place in Europe. Or just have it
I told you
locally
I
in the
was.
Philippines.
I'm already talking to one, right? But they wanted to do JR 1st, and then but who knows? Because right now
Yeah.
is popping. Yeah, so. Hi, shout out from KKK United Kingdom. Yes, po. Hopefully everyone will be happy to reveal what's inside the letter. Yes, po, for sure. Konnichiwa, Japan. Hello. I want to go to Japan. I have not been to Japan. Have you guys
The
been
earthquake?
in Japan?
Japan had an earthquake.
Big one.
May earthquake daw po dyan. Did you guys feel it? Stay safe, guys. That's so scary, dude. We get that a lot here. It's just prayers for you guys. Wow, hawak na ni Mr. B ang reply ni Miss B. Good luck. Hopefully, yes. Yes or no, it's gonna be, he's gonna be super excited to open that. He's gonna be happy no matter what, but I think it is a yes.
41st?
You saw that, huh? I was like,
Not
what?
41st. Nick Cannon. No.
Kuwait. Hello, watching from Olonga po. Ayan na po yung letter. That's the letter. Kakoko, shout out. KK fans, solid supporter. Shout out sa mga KKK fans. Hello po. Thank you for all your support. Grabe kayo, guys. I think it's a yes. Permission to make ligaw lang naman. Official, manliligaw na. Yes. Ini-scam na. Yes po. Positive po yung letter. Yes. Tapos na
Nakita nila, nandiyan ako. Lahat ng groups.
Yes. 1.7 right now. Without you guys watching.
Who told you guys?
Look, 1,000.
Hi guys.
They're watching. We're live.
My God.
Really? Hi guys. Shout out to Miss Arlene.
Shout out sa family ko.
Kuya, shout out mo daw si Miss Arlene.
Asan?
Arlene Tips. Ate Arlene.
Hi, Ate Arlene.
Si Ate Ami.
Ate Ami. Mirna's there. What's up, Mirna from Hong Kong? What's up, guys?
Kuya, si Ate Lenny. Ano,
Look what I have.
Shout out.
Ay, na para bang set up lang yung concert, ang panliligaw. Please pa-shout out kay Trans Global. Opo, nag-shout out na po lahat yan kanina.
Hi Julie, it's me, Mr. B. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you get everything you want, and I hope to meet you soon. Until then, take care.
Millions are praying for you, Mr. B. Oh, thank you po. Pray for everybody na din po.
Who's there?
What? Look who's here! Oh my God, guys! Kinikilig na itong nga to. Na. Saturday.
Bukas free day.
25. She's so pretty, guys, no?
Sino screenshot kanina lang, tapos yung nakaganon daw.
Teka ate, screenshot ka. 1, 2.
Ganito lang kasi yun. Interview sa'yo si Ma'am Rodel. Narinig ko kasi yung boses, parang si Ma'am Rodel.
Yes, guys. I will go, but not for a long time kasi I can't go live dahil we have more shows coming up, so we're gonna require not to go live as much. But yes. What? Ah! Basahin na daw!
Ate, $22.99 bayad namin every
Kaya nga. Ayun pala, ate, level 2. Mag-level 1 ka muna. Why? Sukat yun.
Pagdalang ka namin ate.
Burger.
Hindi na, pagpunta mo na, bigyan kita.
In and out ba? Ayaw na tapos ng brush.
I think next month.
Gusto kong mag-uwi ako ng
Kasi yung baby ko.
Or you want in and out? Which,
Kaya ako mga six pack. Pero walang cheese. Yung cheese galing sa
diba?
Kasi gusto namin yung yung walang voice na ginagawa niyo. Ate, gusto namin. Gusto kasi namin yung walang voice na.
alam na alam. Nakakatuwa naman to. Oh my God. Aray ko. Mo ay ni? Ano yung mo ay? Ano yung mo ay ni? Hindi. Sabi mo, choppy, choppy. Choppy. Oh my God. Ay, nako. Ano na guys? Okay na kayo. Lobat na.
ano?
This is it.
So, yes, guys. Oo, te. Para ano. Alright guys, alis na kami. Love you everybody. We'll see you guys tomorrow again, okay? Basta magla-live ako palagi. Say bye-bye to Papi Joe.
Mamaya.
Say bye.
5 o'clock.
Bye guys, I'll see you on Saturday.
Bye.